Thank you all for coming to the recital for Alyssa and Hannah. And our first song is going to be Candle on the Water. Our solo for today from Alyssa is Beauty and the Beast, so please enjoy.
True as it can be.
last solo. It's from Hannah, and that's going to be A Dream is a Wish Your Heart Made from Cinderella. And the last song of today is going to be a special duet, and it is a surprise. Enjoy.
Parents talk a special language, let us demonstrate. We'll say things that parents says and translate. We'll see means no, not now means no. Ask your father means no. Ask your mother means no. Maybe when you're older means no. We'll discuss it later means no. Is your bed made? No. Is your room clean? No. What do you think? No, no, no. Why is no the only thing a parent can express? There ought to be as many ways of saying
That was awesome! Okay, excellent work, ladies. Excellent work.
Bow together.
Yay!
Hands up. There you go.
Woo! So fun. Oh, flowers, you guys, that's so sweet. Oh, this is so sweet.
And
Oh,
all
and
different shells.
yeah, oh, shells.
I love the shells.
Beautiful.
You said we just make them up.
I thought it was hot chocolate.
You said, oh, yeah.
I thought it was hot chocolate. Remember, I don't have my contacts in.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
I feel the back of it. I filled that today.
So great, you guys. This is so special. It was so fun. Should I open it now? Okay, I'll open it now. Let's see. Music, and these are
Oh,
some nice notes.
That's the headphones.
Oh, okay. Oh, into a CD player? Or?
No, into Mom's phone.
Onto Mom's phone, yeah, because that's what you guys did. That's awesome, you guys. You're welcome. So sweet. I love it. Oh, she loves this. I love these, and your mama knows that I love these. Are my favorite things.
They're extra
Thank you
dark.
guys. I know I'm gonna enjoy them. Hilarious. Thank you guys. So fun.